Welcome back everybody, thank you for watching another video. So today I want to give you a few reasons why I believe everybody should have a rimless insulated baking sheet. And of course, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase one of these baking sheets, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Now, if you've never seen one of these or used one of these, let me show you what the difference is between a single layer and an insulated baking sheet is. There is an air gap in between the bottom and the top layer. You can see there's a little hole pierced right here. And what that's supposed to do is give you a better chance at not scorching the bottom of your cookies. Let's say you're making something delicate like a shortbread cookie. A lot of times on a single layer, you'll have a really scorched bottom and a nice brown top, and it's very uneven. So the idea between that air gap and an insulated baking sheet is it gives you a more even bake. I love this size of baking sheet. It's about 15 inches up this way, 20 inches across, tons of room for cookies. Non-stick, you can bake it up to about 450 degrees. As you can see, it's very well used. I don't even know how many hours of cookie making I have on here. You can see this inside portion here is a little bit cleaner because when I'm making cookies, I put parchment paper down, and it's non-stick, but it just makes cleanup a lot easier. And if you notice, there's a circle portion right inside here because what I like to use this also for is making frozen pizzas. Most frozen pizzas are going to be about 10 inches in diameter and are going to just cook so perfectly on this baking sheet. And because it's rimless, it just slides right off. Well, alright guys, if you love making cookies and you're looking for a new baking sheet, this might be for you, or especially if you and your family love making frozen pizzas, this would do the job just fine. Well, alright guys, that's the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this insulated rimless baking sheet, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.